I think I'm through the bottom. The outside skin of this Mullein fireboard is not thick enough. But I know a piece of mullein that does have a thicker skin, and that will probably work if there's not too much moisture in it. Here's the base of that same mullein plant that we were using. And if you're familiar with the root of a mullein, you know that that's typical of it right there. Let's see what's in here that we can use. This is the only piece that looks stable enough to be a fireboard, so let's give it a try. Doesn't look possible, does it? I think it's possible. I'm going to try it. Let me show you once again that your failed hand drill dust, your failed bow drill dust will fire roll. This is pine needles, processed pine needles, and the powder from those processed pine needles. About a 1/4 teaspoon. Some forward strokes, tighten it up to make it to be able to withstand the rolling process, and then go for it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.